Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to fix battery drain problem on S23 FE after update 1.7. But guys, actually after update 1.7 in my device and many more S23 FE device fix battery drain problem after update 1.7. But still many S23 FE users after update facing battery drain issue problem on their devices. So in this video I'm going to show you how to solve battery drain issue on your S23 FE after update 1.7. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to task changer and you can see active one app notification on your task changer. Then tap and check background activity and stop all apps in this list like this, and simply press done and close all. Okay, number 2, go to setting, battery and background usage. Then make sure put unused apps to sleep. This option turn on. Now go to deep sleeping apps and guys, select apps that you don't use much like this, and select tap on add and you can see this app add on deep sleep list. Now simply go back. Now again go back and simply go to about, software info and tap on build number and enable developer options. Now go to developer option. Now scroll down and find background process limit. Find this option, tap and set simply 12 background process. Now go back, go to device care, memory and simply clean memory. And remember guys, your device always put on dark mode like this. After follow all these steps, simply device restart, and after restart you can see your device battery drain problem fix. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.